What is up, guys? Welcome to this video. Welcome to the 3 video course that is free. I want to debunk one major thing right here. How much money does it take to start investing in the stock market? Biggest thing is learn first. I didn't do it. I didn't listen. I remember my first account, I threw $300 in a Robinhood account and was like, I'm gonna make $1 million. That was the dumbest thing I ever told myself instantly, because I had no idea what I was doing. I remember the first stock I bought was Sprint while I was working in a factory over the summer, and I hated my life. And I remember making my first $3, didn't even know how I made it. I just knew Sprint said buy on one of this analysis things, so I bought it early in the morning as soon as the market opened, and then around 10 a.m. I went back in and sold it. Now, if I would have held that even longer, of course, I would have done better. But you get my point. I got really, really lucky, and those $3 were awesome to me because it gave me a light. It gave me a direction, like this is possible. I can do this. Not only did it do that, though, but it also set me in for some heartbreaks within the next few days. I didn't know about the PDT rule. Thankfully, I had a cash account, so it did not matter. But we're going to go into, you guys want to know how much money does it take. So I started with $300, guys. Wish I wouldn't have even started with that much actually trading. So you guys see the price of my course, how much it costs, basically for me to teach you step by step exactly how I did this life and teach people every day exactly what I do. So money is not a huge factor. I always say pay for the education. It's well worth it. They're going to teach you the tricks that I teach, or I'm going to teach you tricks on how to get around the PDT rule, tricks on how to get around brokerage fees, and all those little tips and tricks that are going to save you so much money in the long run. And then not only that, you don't need a whole lot of money to trade. Trading becomes emotional, and you can't really afford to get emotional when it comes down to that time. I've done it. I've made a trade and lost $1,000 within 5 minutes. 5 minutes. You could get up, go use the restroom, and grab a drink, and lose $1,000 like that. That's why I teach you. You don't need to start with $1,000. You don't need to start with thousands of dollars. What you need to do is learn the strategy that I have put in place just for beginners, and then we move you up the ladder. So $150 is all you need. When you start live trading, I'm going to tell you $100, $150, no more than $300. Most people can bounce back from $300 and still go on to make tons of money. Some people will learn the hard way. I'm fully aware of that. I was one of those people. You have to lose some money before you mentally go, oh, hey, we need to figure this out before we actually go any further. But you don't need a whole lot of money to start, guys. Learn first, then we're going to teach you how to control your emotions during it, and that is one of the biggest factors in trading, in my opinion. After knowing the strategy, anybody can know the strategy, but being able to execute it, being able to control your emotions during it is a huge, huge factor. I want to keep this video short, guys, because again, I'm going to say you don't need very much money. I wish I wouldn't have started out with very much money. Technically, I started out with $300, but I quickly lost it very, very quickly, and I should have just paid for a mentorship or somebody that could have guided me and made my learning curve a lot faster, because I feel like if I would have, I would be sitting on millions right now rather than the big chunk of money that I have. I feel like it was $1 million decision that I screwed up, even though I do make a lot of money still, and now I'm on track. I'm almost there to that point, but we're not there yet, and that sucks, because I feel like if I would have took that year and actually learned from somebody, I could be way past my goal. And that's where I'm basically putting you guys to, is we want to take you from here and just skyrocket your learning curve and get you to your goal before everybody else does, basically. So with that being said, you do not need a whole lot of money. Get educated first. The most important part of trading is knowing how to trade successfully. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys very soon. I look forward to teaching you all.